Introducing the high-performance flour mill and corn mill grinding machine, a robust maize milling and processing solution engineered for efficiency and durability. Built with heavy-duty components, it handles corn, wheat, and other grains with precision, delivering consistent, fine-ground flour every time. Its powerful motor ensures rapid processing, while adjustable settings let users control particle size for diverse culinary or industrial needs. Designed for both small-scale producers and commercial operations,